These treats. They're actually his like supplements for his arthritis. Yeah. No more? I thought I would do my skincare and makeup in here so I could show you what I've been using lately. I just applied this on my lips. This is Cosmetics Lip Cushion in Magic Hour. I love this shade so much. I'm gonna use Tatcha's Texture Tonic, Summer Fridays Light Aura Vitamin C and Peptide Eye Cream. I just started using this from Atom Milk Marvel Dark Spot Serum. I'm going to moisturize with Augustinus Bader, the cream. It's supposed to be like a holy grail product or something that's like really good. It's really expensive. I actually got this in PR and I looked at the price of the bottle and it's like $175. I've only been using it for about a week, so I haven't really noticed a difference just yet, but it's supposed to help with like, you know, moisturizing your skin, but also firmness and wrinkles and fine lines. A couple weeks ago, my skin was uncomfortably dry. Okay, I'm gonna apply sunscreen really quick. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Sunscreen. This just launched and I actually really like it. It is a little bit tackier than other sunscreens I've used, but I actually don't mind it. It feels kind of like a serum sunscreen. I started drinking a glass of water at night before bed, like right before I go to sleep. I heard that it was good to help like your body stay hydrated throughout the night. I used to hate drinking water before bed because I'd have to like get up and pee constantly, but I heard that if you do it enough, your body will adapt over time, and it's true. Now I actually don't have to get up and go to the bathroom until maybe like 7 a.m. It's actually helped with my dry lips. Sounds so obvious to be like, drink your water. I always get at least one period pimple like right before my period, about a week or so before my period. It just never ceases to amaze me how consistent they show up. I've made a couple of new rules for myself so that I could live a happier life. I've just been trying to make little tweaks into my life and turn them into natural like habits so that I don't even think twice about it, like drinking water before bed. Not saying things I don't mean. Like if I don't want to do something, then I shouldn't force myself to do something. Like if I don't want to eat something or do that particular activity, it's totally okay to say no, or hey, can we find something that we both like to do, or would you be open to doing this instead? It's okay to ask people to meet you in the middle so that you don't have to go like 150%. I've had to do this a couple times where friends have asked me to like eat at a new restaurant or somewhere like a little bit pricier, and I still don't have my taste yet, not fully. I've had to ask friends to change the restaurant or reschedule something or like do something another time because I just wouldn't enjoy it. And all of my friends have been super understanding about it. It's funny because as I'm like telling you this and saying that this is what I did, I'm just like, oh my god, I'm so full of myself. I can't believe I asked my friends to do that and now I'm talking about it. And I think it's because I'm worried that it gets misconstrued or people think I take it to the extreme, and it's like, no, it's not like that. Or I'm just like not used to being that person to just ask for a little bit. There are two things my therapist said to me related to this, and one of them was, if you're not used to being confident, confidence feels like arrogance. She also used this analogy that was really helpful for me to like conceptualize therapy and making changes in my life and being open to them. Imagine you have been wearing your shoes on the wrong feet. Like you wear your left shoe on your right foot and your right shoe on your left foot. So what therapy is supposed to do is tell you like, hey, let's put the left shoe on the left foot and the right shoe on the right foot. And in the beginning, it's gonna feel really weird because you've been doing it backwards your whole life and you thought that was how you're supposed to do it. So it's gonna take some time to adjust and get used to the new feeling of doing things like this way now. Another thing that I'm trying not to do is when I go to post a story or a TikTok or even vlogging, I'm trying really hard not to apologize for my appearance. Like, oh, sorry, I look like shit. Oh, don't mind me, I look like shit right now. Why am I apologizing for my appearance? Like, this is what I look like in the morning, or this is what I look like naturally. Like, I shouldn't have to apologize for that. I wanted to do a little bit of eyeshadow, but I'm also getting really hungry. I've been seeing so much content lately around being that girl. I would also love to be that girl who has her shit together, but I have never been that girl. My sleeping schedule has never been consistent. I don't have any consistent journaling habits really. I've been thinking a lot about social media and parasocial relationships. I've been wanting to talk about it more and just like dive deeper, but also with like the irony of it just kind of like inhibits me from doing so, because it's like I'm talking about parasocial relationships with people I have parasocial relationship with. It's like kind of meta. So I had this screenshot saved on my phone because I wanted to recreate this lip color using the YSL Rouge Sur Mesure. So that's the shade that I want. Confirm. Mix it. Ooh. I feel like it came out a little bit more red than peachy, but I kind of like it. Okay. I wanted to curl my hair a little bit. I'm gonna spray a little bit of perfume. This one's from Kayali, Vanilla 28. I've been loving this one. It's got this like musky, spicy scent. Because my sense of smell and taste have been compromised, I can't even smell what I might smell like. But it's not that I think I smell gross, it's just I feel so oblivious. So I've been more conscious of like when I spray perfume and stuff. It's weird because I miss more of like the subtle things that you're supposed to be able to smell. Like Cody, I can't smell his like dog smell. Doing the weekly check-in pages because every week has a different set of questions to think about. So along with listing the 3 wins of the week, the list of questions today are: when do you feel the most confident? What is your self-love language? When are you the most happy? And what habit do you want to start for self-love?